nakikita natin, maganda ang distribution ng Ateneo and that's something that they should continue.
Ang sabi nga ni Dindin Santiago, ang hirap, ang mga advantage sa atin nagtutulungan sila. Ayan, nagsasayawan pa nga yung mga yan. Pag-usapan naman natin ang mga taga-Espanya, ang Tigresses ng UST.
And their team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez.
Sabi mo nung warm-up, matangkad na setter. But I don't know, her experience will be... In the meantime, Carmela Tunay, who also got injured in the course of this conference, gets her serve crawling on the net. Valdez is rejected. Take a second look. Both sides want to win. 3-5 here as Eliza Valdez will serve.
Oh! What a strong serve from Eliza. Yan ang maganda, yung mga floater.
Yan mahirap from the point of view of the players. You know? Lumulutang yan, you think it's going one way, then it changes direction all of a sudden. 4-5, long.
Clearly on its way out.
And get her court senses back. Meanwhile, the indefatigable Ateneo Lady Eagles vowed to keep their winning record clean. For the past week, they had morning and afternoon practices for 3 hours each, and this morning they spent 1 hour stretching and meditating. 7N.
Yep, every day. That's the way to train a team. In the meantime, lively exchange. It is outside. 9 will belong to Maraginot. Here's Rasmo. It becomes a set. Tunay attacks. Tinago si Eliza. Tinaas ng UST. Tunay. Long.
US don't overlap each other.
Don't forget that Axel is our official outfitter here at the Shakey's Relay. Mukhang masama na yung first ball, ha? After kanina, maganda yung first ball nila. That is a power hit. No question, and Ateneo in the lead. Last 3 points have been all by the Lady Eagles.
Yes.
They've scored last 5 points. Ateneo was leading 17-12 earlier. We're now tied at 17.
And Cabanos has been surfing for quite a while now.
Yes, indeed. Strike in play. Eliza. Eliza Valdez, you know, libero play makes it. Okay, that's correct.
Kailangan ng isa pang depensa sa likod.
Yes, indeed. The drop.
And this has happened also earlier where nakita natin ang laki ng buta sa gitna ng UST defense.
This is what they have to do less of, creating those campfires. Ayun, no?
Ang laki, it was wide open.
Kasi ang tendency, ang laging yan sinasabi na didinig ko hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Humiro. Rasmo said, gotcha. Janko. The kick set.
Oh! That one bounced out.
Bakit importante sa larong volleyball? Nag-uusap. Talagang inantay talaga eh. Setup job, Valdez.
Oh!
Neatly.
Markado si Valdez at alam mong pinag-aralan ng UST, ano? Take a look at that again. Yes, yes. Kailangan mag-usap.
Each side losing a match point now. Eliza. Meneses. Ella de Jesus is there. The drop.
It's that same area that UST can't seem to cover. Somebody had...
Will be serving. She also made a service error during that crucial stretch. Tiope. Meneses missed it. De Leon with fingertips on it. Here is a reverse set. Valdez.
Off the block. Again, for UST,
Admitted that their morale is high, having been able to make it to the semi-finals. Gayunpaman, he also knows Ateneo is on top of their game, kaya naman kahit daw hindi nila mahigitan, gusto pa rin nila mapantayan at makipagsabayan. The over at Ateneo's huddle, team captain Eliza Valdez urged her teammates to be more
nakapwesto sila.
Yes. I'm just amazed how Ella, just being so talented, and she's just beginning to be comfortable in the libero position, where she's actually a spiker.
But
Yeah, Axel is our official arbiter here in the Shakey's Wheel League. They go to Eliza on the other end. Huli ni Jessie De Leon. Tataas niya ang humirang. Balik kay Valdez. Tiope locates Cortez, and it is too long. Ateneo finally reaches the technical timeout. First, we are at 16-10. In the meantime, here's a serve. Eliza. Oh! Oh!
so that was a point plus a net violation from UST clearly. That was Ateneo's.
Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. You know, Eliza's just developed that ability. The spikes now. Lakas, control, parang as if she's playing badminton in the air.
That's what really makes her a very efficient and effective attacker.
At saka alam niya kung kailan ida-drop yung bola. 17-18, last 3 points have been all Lady Eagles.
At kung titignan natin yung numbers ngayong second set, only 2 points produced
Oh,
from offense. It's if you're Coach Kung Fu, hindi acceptable yun. To add to that, the really tough blockers of Ateneo.
ito sa kanto na nga kinuha eh. Oh. Eliza there. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Ang speeds ay up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Cortez. Valdez is rejected. But out. Sa lakas ng palo ni Eliza,
Oo.
nag-ricochet off the block at lumabas. Homero has had her struggles with her serve. Parang hindi makalift si Amy. Parang may kulang sa sipa
Kulang din
niya.
sa karga yung kanyang serve. Again, ito, Laure Meneses De Leon all have scored 5 points. If you look at Ateneo on the other hand, ang kanilang top 3 scorers, of course, wow, surprisingly, it's De Leon with 14 points. Naunahan pa si Valdez. Valdez only with 9.
Si Eliza, as we check out this ultra fast spike, ultra fast LT for a happy family. Part 4 of the course, si Eliza, no? The place to go to for fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
What a great angle by Valdez.
May lakad ang Ateneo team.
Nagmamadali. Pero ito yung sayang set.
No, they have their heads back in the game. 10-8 is the count here. Nice tip. Alive. Out of reach. De Leon serve in play. Homero hooks it over. Cabanos tracks it down. Tan skidding for it. Back row. Cabanos says, akin. Sandoval. Maraginot. Kicking set.
Oh, that one is long.
Oh, no.
That's why...
Hindi siya nagagaling sa taas siya eh, di ba? Nakataas siya.
Nakatayo bago siya bababa.
Saka siya bababa. You really have to stoop down low in this game. Meneses with a finger on it. Eliza, ayaw pumasok ng malakas. Kailangan natin.
Yun yung mahirap ipa-over, no? Pag kinukuha mo sa ilalim, nasa tabi ka ng net.
Yung hook mo siya. But there's some... Here comes Laure. Valdez back row strike, and it is match point.
And yun, with the help of the net, as you see, may mga gigantic na mukha niya, Eliza, dala-dala ng kanya.
Actually, sina EJ, grabe yung process. So, hirap na kayo mag-adjust. But, syempre, in every game talaga, adjustment lang talaga in the beginning run.
But why did you think...
Dati niya, nandito yung dati niya sa likod ano? In the meantime, Ateneo, out of respect, trying to allow UST to sing their school song,